Gonna. Hi, Reg. How are you? I'm still here in cafe because it's 1 o'clock and I have to go 2:30 because I haven't talked to person, so I'll meet in 2:30. So cause here I have nothing to do, so I just do some funny things here to make you smile, and you can see me today and come. You see? No, you see, I'm almost funny sometimes. But to say always that I'm I'm so happy that I met you, and I'm almost waiting for you, and and sometimes when I am in my bed I'm always thinking of you, and and I do lots of things to think about what will happen for our meeting, and hopefully all will be good, and I'm very thankful that mm, and pray every day that uh, after our meeting all will be good, and and because this is a really what I want, and waiting for you, and finally will be in my two hands to sorry because my voice is not good because last night it was raining, then I was in my works when rain comes, so I feel that my voice got not good today, but it's okay. I don't know this build, but um one of my friend here in cafe told me that what I see that she using build, and you just just did it today, so I said, um why can I do this, just teach me how. So I did, just because it's new for me, and you can see what I'm doing, and mm, even just a bit funny sometimes. So and you can see my whole face, and and I will say that I'm happy to help you reach. Mm. Even if I know that, even if I know our minds and thoughts is um my mind and my thoughts is always there, um, um and you're a person that I think that because I always pray this early. um if I am the church, sometimes I pray that Lord, send me a guy that he's mine, and but I don't know what will happen after our meeting, but I only trust you and trust the Lord that all will be good. And